Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. You might see some changes in this video. You might be seeing me holding this mic and also I have left some space here. So, yes, we have a special guest. Hey, not a special guest, she is actually my sister. Today, I got hold of my sister, so I thought I'll do a video together. We'll do a video together actually about conversation in English. Daily conversation. You know, the conversation that you need every day. Whenever you're going out or when you're at work or at home, this dialogues or this conversation is very important. We use these sentences frequently. I have divided the conversations into different sections. So let's see what are those conversations. So this is my sister Tanha.
Hi.
And I don't know how well this video will be going because we are continuously laughing for the past 2 minutes and I don't know how long we will laugh and there will be many breaks in between. Anyways, let's see the conversation. So, the first scenario is greetings and small talk. When you are at work, when you just reach your work in the morning and you want to have a little chat with your colleague, how can you start your conversation? This is how you can do it. Good morning, how's your day?
Good morning. It's busy but going well. How about yours?
Pretty good, just starting on some emails. So this is a short conversation that you can have with your colleague early morning when you reach your office. Now the second scenario is asking about weekend plans. You are catching up with your friend and you are asking what is his plans for the weekend. This is how you can do it. Any plans for the weekend?
I'm visiting family. What about you?
I'm going hiking, should be fun. Now let's discuss about weather. You got a little break in between your work and you want to have a little chat with your co-worker for a little break. So how can you have a conversation there? How can you initiate the conversation? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. Wanna go for a walk?
Sure, a walk sounds great. Now let's inquire about work. You want to talk with your co-worker about what is happening today, about his work. How is the work? Is it very tough or very easy? How is his workload? How was your work today?
Busy but productive. How was yours?
Good, just working on a few tasks. Feeling hungry? Let's order food. How to pick an order at cafe? Can I get a coffee with cream and sugar?
Sure, medium or large?
Medium please, and a muffin too.
Got it, I'll prepare that for you.
So when you feel hungry, this is how you can go and grab some coffee and a muffin. Now let's see how to ask for help. The most important thing, if you are stuck in a situation, if you need help, how you can ask for help. Can you help me with this report?
Yes, I can. What do you need?
I need help with the data. The next one is discussing evening plans. After a long day work, you are catching up with your friend and you are planning something for tonight. How can you do that? So, I'm on a phone call. Hey, what are you doing tonight?
I'm cooking and watching a movie. Wanna join?
That sounds great. What time? So this is how you can plan your weekends or evenings with your friend. The next one is very important. Making a doctor's appointment. How to schedule a doctor's visit. I already did a short on this topic. You can watch it here. Let me just give you a short conversation on how to schedule a doctor's appointment. I'm on a phone call. Can I make an appointment for next week?
Sure, what day works for you?
Tuesday morning would be good.
Got it, see you then.
So guys, these are some conversation that you can have when you are at work or when you want to book an appointment with your doctor or when you want to discuss about a day with your friend. Do you know why are these conversations important? Why do you want to learn this conversation? because it can help you when you get stuck somewhere, when you want to initiate a conversation, or when you are stuck like how to continue a particular conversation. These sentences will help you. So start practicing these sentences. Practice this conversation with us. Repeat after us and learn this conversation and start using these conversations in your everyday situations. So guys, this is all for today. I'll be back with a new video soon. Okay, maybe we will be back with a new video some other time soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.